Apple Pay Remittance app is not just a digital wallet. It's a secure way to send and receive money worldwide directly from your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. If you want to know how to register on Apple Pay Remittance app, here's a complete step-by-step guide. First, open the wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to add a new card. You'll be asked to scan your debit or credit card or enter the details manually. Once verified, your Apple ID will automatically link your payment credentials to Apple Pay. This is the foundation step before enabling remittance features. Next, open Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay. Enable Send Money and International Transfers. Apple has integrated direct remittance with partner banks, making it easy to transfer funds across borders. Now, let's talk about 5 important aspects you should know when registering. 1. Dual identity verification. Apple Pay requires both biometric verification, Face ID, Touch ID, and a secondary one-time PIN sent by your bank before allowing remittance features. 2. Geo-adaptive access. The registration flow automatically adapts based on your country's remittance regulations. For example, in India, KYC is required through PAN-Aadhaar linking, while in the US, only SSN verification is needed. 3. Custom transaction limits. During registration, you can preset your daily and monthly sending limits to match your financial habits. This feature protects against overspending and fraud. 4. Linked multi-currency setup. You can add multiple cards from different banks and assign a primary currency for remittances. Apple Pay automatically converts at live exchange rates. 5. Direct integration with iMessage. Once registered, you can send remittances directly through iMessage without opening the wallet app. After completing verification, you'll get a confirmation that your Apple Pay remittance account is active. You can now send money instantly by selecting a contact, entering the amount, choosing currency, and authorizing via Face ID. To manage settings, simply go to apple.com/apple-pay/ where you'll find official support guides and FAQs.